Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the benefits of CreditSaint Credit Tips. CreditSaint is a reputable credit repair company that provides valuable advice and services to help individuals improve their credit scores. In this tutorial, we will explore the key benefits of using CreditSaint Credit Tips and how they can help you achieve a better financial future. First, let's understand the importance of credit scores. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness and is used by lenders to determine the likelihood of repaying debts on time. A good credit score can help you qualify for lower interest rates, better loan terms, and even improve your chances of getting approved for a mortgage or credit card. Now, let's dive into the benefits of CreditSaint Credit Tips. By following their advice, you can expect to see significant improvements in your credit score. One of the primary benefits is the removal of negative items from your credit report. CreditSaint's experts will work with you to identify and dispute any errors or inaccuracies on your report, which can greatly impact your credit score. Another benefit of CreditSaint Credit Tips is the creation of a personalized credit plan. Their team will work with you to develop a customized plan that addresses your specific credit needs and goals. This plan will help you prioritize your debts, create a budget, and make smart financial decisions that will positively impact your credit score. In addition to these benefits, CreditSaint Credit Tips also provide education and awareness about credit and personal finance. Their resources and tools will help you understand how credit works, how to manage your debt, and how to make informed financial decisions. By empowering you with this knowledge, you will be better equipped to take control of your financial future and make positive changes to your credit score. To get the most out of CreditSaint Credit Tips, it's essential to follow best practices. This includes regularly monitoring your credit report, making on-time payments, and keeping your credit utilization ratio low. By combining these habits with CreditSaint's expert advice, you can expect to see significant improvements in your credit score over time. In conclusion, CreditSaint Credit Tips offer a range of benefits that can help you improve your credit score and achieve a better financial future. By removing negative items from your credit report, creating a personalized credit plan, and providing education and awareness, CreditSaint's expert advice can help you take control of your credit and make positive changes to your financial life. Remember to follow best practices and stay committed to your credit goals, and you will be on your way to achieving a healthier and more stable financial future.